Good morning! It's a beautiful day. Daghan kayo ni Bloom. Akong video was 2 weeks ago. Na-upload na ko last week. And that was still June. So, it's already second week of July. Yeah, just like what we expected. Karon siya mo ubay-ubay gyud. So, I'm gonna show you some of the flowers. It's almost 8 o'clock. Padung na ni sila mo sira. Unya gabi murag ngit-ngit ra sa jud kaayo siya, so wala gyud ko naka-video. But we're so happy kani nga porma later tonight. Almost na ni siya. Ta-da! It's a beautiful sight to wake up to in the morning with all these flowers. Thank you, Lord. It was raining yesterday, so they're all so wet late afternoon. Kani wala ni nangatangtang ilang flower. It's more safe if tangtangon na lang gid siya para walay kagaw nga magtambay. Today is a busy day. Kay ilutas na ang among anay. If you have seen my previous post, nagbuhi mig anay niya. Nanganak siya last month. So today is the 31st day of the piglets, and some of them we have to let them go ngay mo palit and share sa butakal pod. And then moabot sila manad ikuha ang sa butakal nga share, so ang mupalit na lang ron sa baktin. Awa ang sagbot pitinig yung tag-asa. Nagsugod sila glimpyo yesterday, but they're not done, not even halfway because of the rain. Di lang ko diha mo agi kay murag. Oh, there's two there. Yeah, same last year. Kani gid siya nga post kay daghan sad kay ni siya. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers at one time. There. And also this one from last year, ubay-ubay sad ni siya. And now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 flowers. Yeah. Aside sa flowers, nana ni siya daghang fruits daan. Oh, we have a lot of bees. Thank you for doing your job, bees. There. And the existing fruits are quite a lot already. There. Ta-da! Oh, kani daghan sa day siya. Okay, so last time I talked about inorganic, organic fertilizers and all that. So today I'm gonna tell you the inorganic, inorganic fertilizers nga among gibutang nila. This is one of the flowers nga nalata. Ma-abort na ni siya, di na ni mo survive into fruit. So we do potassium, mo gina sila ang magpa fruit. And then we also have 14, 14, 14, or we call it complete. So what do we do with them? We don't do massive fertilizing during fruiting season. We do it months before. Pero since init kaayo pag March, April, May, wala gyud mi nakabutang kay I don't think it's gonna help sad na mag-fertilize me. They're not doing so well. Init kaayo niya. Fertilizers are hot. They should be applied during the day. I mean, early morning or late in the afternoon. Pero since nagbutang man mi og mga organic like iti and tai sa baka, so moto ni anak ko nga dili lang sa mi mag abono og potash og complete. So more gina siya akong combination ever since we started. Pero lahi lang ang procedure nako from year 1 and year 2, and now it's year 3. Nakaabono mi successive every 7 days for 3 times lang. So once a week nga potash, and then pagawas na sa daghan na fruit ni abono na ko apil og complete for sustainability sad sa fruit nga dili sad siya mataktak kay from the name itself complete okay ra gid kay siya niya. Na ako gi-follow nga guide. Hopefully I can show it to you sad. Nakuha ra to nako sa mga nagtanom sad og dragon fruit. And I'm really glad nga daghan gyud mo share og mga paagi nila ways nga unsaon pag-abono, unsaon pag-alaga, so we can maximize our fruits. So mao to siya. Last week nag-abono sila and I told them daghan na ra ba padung hinog, so maybe we'll do once in 2 weeks na lang, and then probably by next month once in 2 weeks lang gihapon. But I have to observe sad if walay daghang mataktak nga buwak, then maybe I will do that continually and then move on to once per month nga abono sa chemicals. Kay di mi jud ka abono og iti for now og tai sa baka nga additional kay sigig uwan, so murag basa jud kaayo. Basa kay ang mga iti ron murag bidli ra sad kay siya ba. Giluod man gani ko naghuna-huna atong nagkupog og tai sa baka, pero wa ba siya baho. Tanang imo lang imagination playing tricks on you. Nga murag taim gini kung duwa-duwaan eh. Anyway, wala siya. We are so happy. And RJ is back in the city. Kan kay mananap. So, ako pa din hin. Mostly he will come on weekends. Kaya daghan po siya og transactions dito. And then, there's one thing I'm gonna show you. Kanang tig collect og mga insect para dili mo adto sa prutas. We call it methyl eugenol. I'm gonna show you this one. Ta-da! This is another natural way of eliminating insects nga mukaon sa fruit or mulungag nga makalata sa fruit. So this is made of methyl eugenol. Kani siya nga cloth. Unya ang mga insect will go inside here. Hala, natagak. So this is the accidents that's happening with them. Matagak, makagawas ra sila. Kaya kani dili man sila kagawas ani basta-basta. So I have to find it and put it back. Unless giduaan to or something. Sige lang, in a while. And then last update sa katong fruit na akong giingon last video nga nadaot. We are hoping nga muhinog siya, but ni open siya, so probably di na gini siya muhinog, malata na ni siya. This one, see? You can see the seeds from the insides. is getting hard. Kani gamay ra ni siya open yesterday. Karon dako na kaayo even this one. So this post is a no-no. And yesterday we cut off already the branches with fungus or canker. Huh. But at least nakita siya namo dayon. Dili man tanan pa na post, and probably amo ning i-observe kung unsa siya mutakod from this post. And then after this season we'll cut it off. Spray. Mag-spray sa diamigditane sometimes for fungus if necessary. And this experience calls us to spray, pero dili na ko ipaapil ang fruit lang kaayo ug basa, especially near na harvest season. So probably after bag-o pa ni flower ang next na batch. Anyway, yeah, so far that's the update. So I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye and good morning again. It's very cold morning. I love it.